Hello, just a quick video on backing up your seed phrase, or mnemonic phrase, and your password for anyone that hasn't done it and doesn't know how to do it. So if we've got to make status, this is my Thornode address. This is going to have a private key behind it, and you're going to need to be able to get your seed phrase and back that up in case anything happens. So your seed phrase is based off bit 39, you can look that up. And that's a set of words, 24 words, that enables you to reconstruct your private key. So if I go to make help, there is a command here. And as you can see, that retrieves or displays your mnemonic for your backup of your Thornode. So let's run this one here. That displays my 24 words. And I would go along and copy this out and put this somewhere safe. If I can copy this out, I'm going to put this somewhere safe, and I'd recommend using, you put it perhaps in metal through some type of device, or you save it online somewhere. I wouldn't, put it on Google Drive or something like that. I'd use something like a password manager, and here are just 3 that I found off the internet, like KeyPass, LastPass, and we have NordPass. There are much more out there as well. These type of services, most of them pretty much free, and will enable you to secure or save secure information, username, password, secure notes, and stuff like that, where you would want to save potentially this type of information. So if I say that here, I can count that out. That's 24 words, and again, you really want to keep that in a safe place. The other thing you're going to be able to, need to back up is the password. So when you did your make chaosnet validator, you'll be prompted for enter a password once, when you're setting it up. And if you don't know what that password is, you can get that by going make password. It's not going to work for me in this video because I run a testnet node for these videos. So but normally it would say this is your password. You would want to back that information up as well, as that's used to secure your private key. Just another point on security. If you're not using security, do ensure that you're using proper two-factor authentication in AWS. If you're using that has multi-factor authentication, lots of different ways that you can have something in addition to a username and password for AWS, because you don't want someone to get control of your AWS or whatever hosting type of service you use, as well as they'll be able to get control over the individual pods and volumes and all that type of thing in the back end. So good security, good password management, and taking control and security of your seed phrase is something really important to do. And if you haven't done it, get it done now.